Hey everyone, in this video we'll be looking into giving access to files via membership. Basically this is like an additional video to the membership where I will show you how you can create a page, basically membership type of a page, where you can give access to files instead of videos and tutorials of such sort. So basically this is, instead of also selling a digital product, how you can give access, membership access to files. Because you might want to provide like multiple files, not just one or two, but quite a lot. So basically that's what we'll be doing in this video. So let's dive deep into how we can create such type of a page and assign membership to it. So again, this is an addition to what we already discussed in our previous videos about memberships and the whole flow. So basically here we'll just be discussing how we can add such addition. Like in this funnel that we created in the previous video, how we can create such page with access to the files is really easy. So we can click on add new step and click on page. Now in the membership and courses we have a few different examples that you can actually add. Let's refresh. We can actually add a such step where we have these designs here for getting access to files. We have these great designs that you can use. Of course you can tailor your own unique designs if you wish, but let's see two of those that we already created for you. Basically the idea here is this: when somebody purchases access to, let's say, this downloadable files, here they can find them into different categories, and they can click on the link and download the file of this category. So this way you give them access to all that, and it can be only accessible by members who purchased access to these files. And this is another example in a slightly different way. Basically the link again will be the name of the file, so that people can download whatever it is. It can be a video, it can be a PDF, and anything like that. So they just select this design, call it file access, for example, and add it to our design. We can now again tailor it to our likes. Obviously we can change the category name, we can change the file name, and inside you can just highlight the name of this whole thing and just click on the link option. Now from here, in order to link to a file, you just have to click on file and click on the file option. So now here we can upload anything, any file basically that we want, up to 230 megabytes. In my suggestion is, if you're uploading big things, if you want to share big things, best way would be to link to something like S3 of Amazon, or some like Drive, for example, where people can purchase this type of files, because you might not want to share files through your hosting with us, because that would mean that you might be charged extra at the end of the month if you take all the bandwidth for your for your funnel. So you'll be charged extra for more traffic, because every download is considered as traffic basically. So yeah, if you want to link to, let's say, S3 from Amazon for easy and inexpensive hosting, you can just link an external link to the file so people can download it there. And basically you manage all the memberships and subscriptions if you wish, and everything with us, and just link to the hosted file elsewhere. So yeah, this is it, how easy it is. Now to give access to somebody to this page, obviously we have to create a membership group. So just a quick how you can do that. Let's call it file repository. For this example, click on submit, and obviously when you create a store product, and you can make it again. You don't have to do it digital product, even though they'll be getting a digital product in terms of download. You just do it as a membership, which call, let's say, file repository, and whoever purchases that product, they'll have access to the file repository with all the files that they've purchased access for. Let's say $99 and some category. That's it. Now we can sell through our funnel. We can select somewhere or add to cart in order for our users to be able to purchase the group, access to the group, and we have our file access to be only accessible by people who are part of the membership group code file repository. So yeah, this is it. These files will be only restricted for people who have access to the file repository group. So when they purchase, they'll get access to their files. That's it. That's how simple it is to create a page with different files that you can have inside with links to them. They can be, again, PDFs or videos or audio files, whatever you wish to share with your users. And yeah, that's it. Basically, on this page, you can add whatever you wish. Again, you can add some videos, you can add some audio files with the audio file widget, some articles in general, whatever you wish. But in this example, it's mainly focusing on, of course, on the files themselves. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, this was just an addition on how to do file sharing, basically, with membership. Instead of doing it with digital products one by one, you can do it with a page with membership access. I hope that you enjoyed it, and talk to you in the next video.